Asparagus and eggs. Let's make this dish. All right, so what I got here is some leftover asparagus. And I'm just going to make it with scrambled eggs or quasi omelet. Real fast, real easy, really good. So olive oil. All right, let me throw in my onions and garlic. Scallions and garlic. Then throw in the asparagus. All right, a little bit of salt. Then a little bit of crushed red pepper. And then just go around and cook it like you were going to do a French omelet. Get it to start to congeal a little bit. Once it starts to come together, that's about that. Lower the heat just a little bit and just let it cook for a minute. All right, let's see if I can flip it without making a mess. I'm probably going to wear it, but not bad. I don't know if I'm wearing it or not. Nice, lightly brown. Generally, I don't like scrambled eggs that are brown like that, but an omelet or this style of egg, I do. And then just kind of break it a little bit. There is that. Asparagus and egg sandwich, just on a little bit of French bread. Quick lunch, and it'll be good. All right, let's give this one a try. Doesn't need anything. There it is. Quick lunch.